What is the secret to success in digital marketing in today's fast-paced digital world? It's a question that has many digital marketers scratching their heads. The field of digital marketing is a complex labyrinth filled with constant changes and new technologies. Staying up to date with the latest trends is not just important, it's crucial. But the challenges can often feel insurmountable. However, amidst this digital chaos, one man, Ash Mufarah, found an innovative solution to these challenges. Ash Mufareh, a man of vision, began his journey like many of us, intrigued by the vast potential of the digital world. Born and raised in a world rapidly embracing the digital revolution, Ash's curiosity was piqued at an early age. He found himself drawn to the pulsating heart of technology, eager to understand and master its complexities. His education was a testament to this passion. He pursued a degree in computer science, immersing himself in coding languages and database management, studying the intricate dance of algorithms and data structures. But something else caught his eye: the burgeoning field of digital marketing. Recognizing the transformative power of digital marketing, he embarked on his career in the tech industry, lending his expertise to numerous companies. He was fascinated by the way digital marketing could connect businesses to consumers, breaking down traditional barriers and opening up a world of opportunities. His dedication was unwavering. He worked tirelessly, exploring the intricacies of search engine optimization, social media marketing, and email campaigns. Each success, each failure was a lesson learned, a step towards a grand vision that was slowly taking shape. But it wasn't just his technical skills that set him apart. It was his ability to see the bigger picture, to anticipate the trends before they emerged. He had a knack for understanding consumer behavior, for tapping into the zeitgeist of the digital age. But he was not satisfied with the status quo. He wanted to change the game. In his quest for a game-changing approach, Ash Mufareh set out to create Onpassive. This was no ordinary endeavor. It was an ambitious and bold move, a leap of faith into the uncharted territory of digital marketing. Ash Mufarah, a visionary and a maverick in the digital marketing realm, wanted to create something that would change the game forever. And so the idea of Onpassive was born. A company that would use the power of artificial intelligence to make digital marketing more efficient, more intuitive, and more effective. Onpassive was conceived with a clear mission to revolutionize digital marketing. But it was not just about making marketing more effective. It was about making it accessible and understandable for everyone. Onpassive aimed to level the playing field, allowing small businesses and individuals to compete with big corporations on an equal footing. At the heart of Onpassive's mission was a commitment to innovation. The company was built on the belief that the true power of digital marketing lies in its ability to evolve, to adapt, to change. Onpassive was designed to be a catalyst for this change, a tool that would allow marketers to not just keep up with the digital world, but to shape it. Onpassive was more than just a company. It was a movement, a new way of thinking about digital marketing. It was about harnessing the power of AI to create marketing strategies that were not just effective, but transformative. It was about pushing the boundaries of what was possible, about challenging the status quo. And so, Onpassive was born. A company that was not just about making profit, but about making a difference. A company that was not just about selling products, but about selling ideas, about selling a vision of a better, more efficient digital marketing world. Onpassive was not just a company, it was a solution, a vision for a more efficient digital marketing world. It was the birth of a new era in digital marketing, an era defined by innovation, efficiency, and the power of artificial intelligence. And it all started with a single idea, a single vision, a single man, Ash Mufareh. Ash Mufareh understood that the future of digital marketing was in AI technology. A foresight that set him apart from the crowd and paved the way for the birth of Onpassive. He didn't just see artificial intelligence as a trendy tech buzzword. No, for Ash, AI was the key to unlocking unprecedented potential in digital marketing, and he was determined to harness its power. So, how did Ash incorporate AI into Onpassive? Well, he knew that artificial intelligence thrives on data. The more data it has, the smarter it becomes. Thus, Ash set up systems within Onpassive to collect a wide array of data points from every interaction, every campaign, and every customer. This data then fed into the AI, which used machine learning algorithms to analyze patterns, predict trends, and optimize strategies. This integration of AI revolutionized Onpassive's digital marketing approach. Suddenly, personalized marketing became effortless. The AI could analyze a customer's interactions and preferences to deliver tailor-made content, offers, and messages. It was like having a personal marketing assistant for each and every customer. Imagine that. But the magic of AI didn't stop there. It also automated a lot of mundane, time-consuming tasks. Things like tracking campaigns, analyzing customer behavior, and generating reports were all handled with ease by the AI. This allowed the Onpassive team to focus on more strategic, creative tasks, the kind of tasks that humans excel at. The impact of this AI integration was profound. Onpassive's marketing became more efficient, more personalized, and more effective. The results spoke for themselves, with increased customer engagement, improved conversion rates, and a significant boost in ROI. But perhaps the most important thing was that it set Onpassive apart from other companies. While others were still trying to figure out the AI puzzle, Onpassive was already reaping the benefits. They were pioneers, leading the way in the AI revolution of digital marketing. With AI, Ash Mufarah and Onpassive were trailblazing a new path in digital marketing. It's a path that continues to lead them to success, and a path that many others are now trying to follow. The innovative approach of Onpassive soon began to pay off. The company, under the steadfast leadership of Ash Mufareh, started to experience a growth spurt that would make even the most seasoned industry veterans raise their eyebrows in curiosity and admiration. Ash had a vision, and he was determined to see it through. A vision of a digital marketing world where artificial intelligence was not just a buzzword, but a reality that shaped the strategies of businesses, big and small. With this vision, Onpassive began to climb the ladder of success, one rung at a time. In the early stages, Ash focused on building a strong foundation. He knew that in order to thrive in the competitive landscape of digital marketing, he needed a team that was as passionate about AI technology as he was. And so, he assembled a team of experts from across the globe, each bringing a unique set of skills to the table. This was the first key achievement that set the stage for the company's growth. As the team grew, so did Onpassive's offerings. The company rolled out a series of AI-powered tools and services designed to revolutionize the way businesses approach digital marketing. This was not just a milestone for Onpassive, but a game-changing moment for the industry as a whole. But Ash wasn't done yet. He knew that to truly make a mark, Onpassive needed to go beyond just offering innovative products. It needed to create an impact. And so, Ash steered the company towards fostering a community of digital marketers. A community where knowledge was shared, ideas were exchanged, and success was celebrated. This community soon became one of the largest of its kind, a testament to the success of Ash's leadership and Onpassive's innovative approach. From building an expert team, rolling out revolutionary products, to fostering a thriving community, Onpassive's journey under Ash's leadership has been nothing short of inspirational. The company's success story is a testament to Ash's vision, his unwavering belief in the power of AI, and his commitment to transforming the digital marketing landscape. Ash Mufareh's vision was turning into a reality, but he was far from done. So, what is Ash Mufareh's secret to success in the complex world of digital marketing? The answer lies in three key elements: embracing change, innovation, and a steadfast belief in the future of artificial intelligence. Firstly, Ash Mufareh believes in the power of change. He doesn't view change as a threat, but as an opportunity. In the fast-paced digital landscape, change is the only constant. Those who fear change often find themselves left behind, while those who embrace it, like Ash, find themselves at the forefront of the industry. His ability to adapt and evolve with the changing times has been instrumental in his success. Secondly, Ash Mufareh's innovative approach to digital marketing sets him apart. He doesn't just follow the path well trodden, he creates his own. Ash's innovative mindset has led to the creation of Onpassive, a company that is revolutionizing the digital marketing space with its unique and groundbreaking solutions. His innovative approach has not only set him apart, but has also allowed him to stay ahead of the curve. And finally, Ash Mufarah's belief in the future of artificial intelligence is a cornerstone of his success. He understands that AI is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer. Ash envisions a future where AI simplifies and optimizes digital marketing strategies, making them more effective and efficient. This vision has been a driving force behind Onpassive's success, making it a pioneer in AI-powered digital marketing solutions. But success didn't come overnight. It was a product of years of hard work, risk-taking, and a relentless pursuit of innovation. Ash Mufarah's journey is a testament to the power of embracing change, nurturing innovation, and believing in the future. His story is a reminder that success in digital marketing isn't about going with the flow. It's about creating your own current and riding it all the way to the top. It's about daring to dream big and having the courage to turn those dreams into reality. In the words of Ash Mufareh, success in digital marketing is not about following trends, it's about setting them. And with Onpassive, he has done just that.